Mag-introduce kayo ng STEM Supreme sa isa sa mga topics sa pre-calculus, ang Conic Sections, na siya ring nasa ilalim ng Analytic Geometry. Ngayon, ating alamin kung ano ang Analytic Geometry. Ang Analytic Geometry ay kahalintulad ng plane geometry, except that sa Analytic Geometry, ang figures ay pinag-aaralan sa context ng coordinate plane. Imbis na nakapokus sa congruence o pagkakalapat ng mga shapes tulad sa plane geometry, analytic geometry deals sa mga coordinates of shapes at formulas na kani-kanilang graphs sa coordinate plane. Much of analytic geometry ay nakapokus sa conics. Ang conic ay isang two-dimensional figure na resulta ng intersection of a plane and a right circular cone. Lahat ng conics ay maisusulat in terms of the following equation: ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. The four conics na ating aalamin in this channel ay parabolas, ellipses, circles, and hyperbolas. The equations for each of these conics can be written in a standard form, from which a lot about a given conic can be told without having to graph it. Ating pag-aaralan ang mga standard forms at graphs ng mga conics, as well as ang polar equations ng mga conics na magagamit for certain applications. Suppose we rotate the line M around the line L in such a way that the angle A remains constant. Then, the surface generated is a double nap, right circular hollow cone, herein referred as cone and extending indefinitely far in both directions. Ang point B ay ang vertex, ang linyang L ay ang axis ng cone. The rotating line M is called a generator of the cone. Inihiwalay ng vertex ang cone into two parts called naps. If we take the intersection of a plane with a cone, the section obtained is called the conic section. Thus, conic sections are the curves obtained by intersecting a right circular cone by a plane. We obtain different kinds of conic sections depending on the position of the intersecting plane with respect to the cone and by the angle made by it with the vertical axis of the cone. Let B the angle made by the intersecting plane with the vertical axis of the cone. The intersection of the plane with the cone can take place either at the vertex of the cone or at any other part of the nap, either below or above the vertex. When the plane cuts the nap of the cone, we have the following situation. Kapag B is equals to 90 degrees, ang section ay isang circle. Kapag B is greater than A and less than 90 degrees, ito ay isang ellipse. It means the cutting plane is inclined to the basis at the angle that falls short of the angle between generators to the base. Galing ito sa Greek word na ellipsis na ibig sabihin ay falls short or kulang. When B equal A, the section is a parabola. It means that the cutting plane is parallel to a generator of the right circular cone. Sa Greek, ang salitang parabole ay ang pinagmulan ng mga salitang parabola at parallel. In each of the above three situations, the plane cuts entirely across one nap of the cone. Nanggaling naman ang hyperbola sa Griyegong salita na hyperbole, na ang ibig sabihin ay sobra. Kaya, kapag B is greater than or equal to 0 and less than A, the plane cuts through both the naps and the curves of intersection is a hyperbola. It means the cutting plane is inclined to the basis at an angle that exceeds of the angle between generators to the base. In the conics above, The plane does not pass through the vertex of the cone. When the plane does intersect the vertex of the cone, the resulting conic is called the degenerate conic. Degenerate conics include a point, a line, and two intersecting lines. When the plane cuts at the vertex of the cone, we have the following different cases. When B is greater than A and less than or equal to 90 degrees, then the section is a point. When B is equals to A, the plane contains a generator of the cone and the section is a straight line. It is the degenerated case of a parabola. When B is greater than or equal to 0 and less than A, the section is a pair of intersecting straight lines. It is the degenerated case of a hyperbola. Next time on STEM Supreme, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa mga conics, ang parabola, specifically ang parabola with vertex at the origin. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to STEM Supreme. Ang pang-agham na salin sa Pilipino na tampok natin ngayon ay suklisan, na ang salin sa Ingles ay geometry. Galing ito sa mga salitang sukat at hugis na dinugtungan ng panlaping an.